Collision Repair Magazine recently attended the PBE Distributors' 27th Annual Trade Show. Come check out some of the highlights of this amazing event.
Hi, I'm Darren Heisey from PBE Distributors at our 27th Annual Trade Show. For me, this has been my 16th year hosting this event. And once again, it's been a fabulous event. A great turnout from the jobbers. We have some VIP body shops here, and especially great turnout from our vendors. We have 5 new vendors this year compared to other years. It's just a great event because it's a night with our friends of our customers, our friends, our vendors. It's just a great time to see some new products, have a meal, have a drink and a laugh. I hope we have 27 more.
Hi, I'm Russ with the ProSpot, and we're at the PBE show here tonight in Toronto. We'd like to show you our drill bit sharpener for spot rivet removal. So we can take a conventional drill bit, we can put it into a chuck, align it for proper sharpening with our machine. We have a 2-step process to set each side of the cutting surface. We can reset the tip and actually save a shop thousands of dollars in consumable product. And your techs will always have the right sharp bit for the right job.
Hi, we're Jim and John from Spraymax, Peter Kwasny Inc. And Spraymax, if you don't know who we are, we offer a full wide range of aerosol products that are specialized for the professional end user. And we have everything from wax and grease removers, solids, to primers, to the can that you fill with color using the fill machine, any color, to a full range of e-coats to clear coats. So everything that you would use in a professional body shop or a professional paint environment, we have in an aerosol can.
All right, so we're talking about our new geared dual action polisher, Dynabrade Rennie Doyle series. And so here's a little fun piece of literature about the product, right? So you see the polisher on the front. This goes over some of the features of what's new in this tool. This tells you a little bit of the backstory of Dynabrade as well as Rennie Doyle, who's co-branded tool with us. And here you get into some of the other Dynabrade products that we offer. And then you go right back to the beginning.